Hey, it's Nadine. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm doing a B by BANILA haul because they sent me a little press kit, and I'm also gonna try the products out, so it's also gonna be somewhat of a germ haul mix sort of thing. So if you're into that, then just keep on watching, and I'm so excited to try the products out. Thank you again, BANILA. I'm touched. Thank you. The first step we're doing is we're gonna prime, and I'm using my Prime Primer Sun by BANILA, and it already has SPF 50 on it. I really like BANILA and you really trust them when it comes to my face products because skincare for makeup. Like this mirror, I get questions on where I got this mirror from, and I got it as a little gift. I purchased this primer and this foundation together, and the lady gave me a free little gift. Moving on to foundation, I'm using a BB cream. It's called Cover 10 Perfect BB, and it also has SPF 50. I seriously feel like I haven't done a chatty video germ in such a long time because I've been trying to make my videos more interesting by moving around more, but I feel like a lot of you guys miss my little just sitting down chatty videos, so here it is. If you can notice, I'm like really breaking out. I still have some excess foundation on the back of my hand, so I'm just gonna double it up as concealer. Guys, I also have my Cocoa. Next, I'm doing my eyebrows, and they sent me, okay, first of all, let us just appreciate the packaging. I was shook when I received it, but it is so clean. Here, I have the B by BANILA True Trick Brow Palette. Wow, so clean and very sleek. It's a little magnetic opening. Wow, really pretty. And it comes with 3 colors for the eyebrows. And personally, guys, I prefer using a brush like this when filling in my eyebrows. But I think people are concerned about the staying power when you do that. So I just always set everything in with a brow gel. Yeah, I like it. This color is very subtle. So, okay, I think the eyebrows look good. Moving on to eyeshadow. Cute. They have the B by BANILA Eyecrush Shadow Palette. Again, it's the white, sleek packaging. And this one is in the color number 1 Pink Crush. And it contains 4 shades of just rosy hues. And it's so pretty. I think this would be like the perfect palette for like prom or like something girly. I swatched the first 2 colors, and I mean, that's what it looks like. They also sent me some eyeshadow singles, and look at the packaging again. They look like creamsicles because of the pastel color, but it's so adorable. It's called the B by BANILA Eyecrush Spangle Pigment, and this one is in the color BE01 Sugar Sand, and it's a gorgeous like metallic taupe shade. Damn, I'm just a really good swatch placer, but it's this one. I have another one in the shade Goldish Tiara, and it is a pearl white shimmery color. Last color I have is Nudie Beige. Just a very lovely transition matte nude color. They also sent me a mascara. It's called the Eyecrush Circle Volume Mascara. The packaging is beautiful. It looks like a liquid lipstick. Wow, it's like a little squiggly. The packaging just gets me. I am stunned. The next thing is the Eyecrush Dual Fix Liner, and I have it in the shade Cherry Wood number 4. It's this gorgeous like red metallic shade. And on the other end, there is a clear like brush thing, and you put it over the eyeliner to let it stay in place so that it's smudge proof. So we're gonna test that out. I'm gonna rub this area in a bit and see if it actually works. The last thing for my eyes comes in this gorgeous hollow packaging. It's beautiful. It's called the B by BANILA Eyecrush shimmer foil. So pretty. It's in the shade Lost Red. Wow! Whoa! Okay, we're using this on my eyes today, guys. My only issue or comment about this packaging though is that you don't know what color you have. If you have like multiple like products of this, maybe it'll be helpful if maybe the letter B is the color. I don't know, or make it clear because it's gonna be really difficult. So let's do my eyes. I'm grabbing the Eyecrush matte shadow as my transition shade. I'm just gonna put it all over my crease with this little brush that I have. I love it as a transition shade. I think it's really like simple and easy to blend. So that was quick. Now we're gonna grab the shimmer foil. We're gonna apply it all over my eyelids. I'm just gonna use my fingers. Oh. Okay, how am I gonna get in the inner corner? Is that okay? Okay, I'm just gonna use my middle finger. Just like blend it. I'm also putting the transition shade over that. So I can definitely trust that this eyeshadow isn't going anywhere. Ooh, it is smudge proof, guys. Wow, alright, cool. I mean, I think this is the eyeshadow. I think its pigmentation and color payoff is beautiful, but then for beginners, it's not, I wouldn't recommend it just because it's kind of hard to blend. I'm gonna grab the brown shade and put it under my eyes. I think I have to clean up my inner corner a bit. I wasn't really feeling the underneath eyeshadow that I placed. I think I'll do a little wing liner just to complete the look. I'm using the Caroline Graph Ink waterproof eyeliner. Moving on to face makeup, they sent me the BANILA Sheer Gradation Cheek. And this product is beautiful. This is in the shade Pure Peach, and just look at how beautiful that gradient is from pink to peach. And it smells like peaches. How delightful. They also sent me the Cheer Water Cheek. It's such a cute little lip tint packaging. This is in the shade Girlish Red. I'm gonna try the cheek tint. I'm gonna put a couple of swipes and I'm gonna tap it. Really subtle. It's very blendable. Okay, I like it, I like it. I'm gonna set my face makeup with my Prime Primer Hydrating Finish Powder from BANILA Co. And I've had this powder for so long. I'm just gonna set it under my eyes, T-zone a bit. Okay, last up is the lips. They sent me the Lipdraw Velvet Crayon in the shade Pink Bella. It looks like this. It's a nice little pencil, lip pencil. So adorable! What? I like it. Oh, it's really pigmented. Wow. And then they sent me the Lipdraw Matte Blast Stick in the shade Rosy Marsala. Very like nudie, My Lips But Better color. Swatch it. Next is the Lipdraw Melting Serum Stick. This is like a sheer lip tint. Very pinky. Well, it's not that sheer. And then lastly, the Liplike Lip Slip. It's in Scandal Coral and it is... Wow, look at that wand. And it's so pigmented. Like this blob. I am not a very like bold lip person, so having these shades is so interesting. I'm gonna use the nude shade. The matte lipstick. I don't really like a lot of color. One last thing, I forgot to use the mascara, so let us try that on right now. Ooh. Definitely it thickens up your lashes. Alright, so this is my look, my full face of BANILA Co makeup products. I quite like it. I think they're all like really cute and they do deliver like quality, and it's really something that I trust because of their mantra of skincare for makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little GRWM. Again, I want to thank BANILA Co for sending me these beautiful makeup products. I am eternally grateful. This video was from my heart to yours, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! And until y'all subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Thank you. My cocoa order is jasmine green tea large with grass jelly and no sugar.